Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your computer class. Let us start the new chapter number 4, computer virus at page number 30. In this chapter, we will discuss the topics like what is computer virus, types of viruses, examples of viruses, sources of viruses, malware, email virus, ransomware virus, antivirus program, and precaution against virus. And the first topic is computer virus. Virus stands for vital information underseas. Viruses are programs which are created deliberately to damage the critical information and data. A virus can badly affect or infect your computer without your knowledge and can alter the working of the computer. Once a virus is in your computer, your files and operating system may get damaged. Computer viruses do not generate by chance. The programmer of a virus, known as virus author, intentionally writes a virus program with a motive to damage the data or program residing in the computer. Writing a virus program usually requires significant programming skills. Very few viruses are harmless. They display a simple message, but most of the viruses are harmful. They destroy the data or even the entire hard disk. Viruses attach themselves to the program files and move with them from disk to disk. Some virus attach itself to a file and lies as a doormat, but when a certain date or event occurs, it gets triggered and becomes active. One such virus is called Friday the 13th virus. It gets activated every Friday that occurs on the 13th of a month. And the next topic is types of virus. And the first one is file infector. This is the most common type of virus. It adds virus code to the regular programming code within the program files. So when the infected program is executed, other program files also get infected. Next is boot sector virus. This virus attaches itself to the boot sector of the disk. This sector is the part of the disk where startup instructions and the allocation tables are kept. This sector is read and loaded into the memory every time the disk is booted. And when the disk is booted, the virus attached with the boot sector also get triggered and damage the data in the computer. Next type of virus is executable file virus. This virus stores itself in an executable file and infects other files each time the file is run. And the next type of virus is macrovirus. This virus infects the files that are created using certain applications or programs that contain macros. Macros are mini programs that make it possible to automate the series of operations so that they are performed as a single action, thereby saving the user from having to carry them out one by one. Next is worm. Worm is a harmless virus that simply replicates itself, but in long run, it takes over all the resources of the computer system and eventually the computer becomes useless. Worms have the capacity to travel from system to system very easily. Trojan horse. Trojan horse virus comes as a friendly program like as a game, application, etc. However, it is very dangerous as it destroys all the data on your system. Trojan horse do not replicate itself, but they can be very destructive and they can be spread through a number of ways in your computer, but the common means of infection is attachment of email. And the next type of virus is rootkit. Rootkit is a program that hides in a computer and allows someone from a remote location to take the full control of the computer. Once the rootkit is installed, the rootkit author can execute programs, change settings, monitor activities, and access the files from a remote location on your computer. Sweeper. It is a fake antivirus. It is designed in such a way that it looks like an antivirus software, but in reality, it is a virus. People download it unintentionally, and the sweeper virus enters in their computer and change system files, browsing activities, etc. And the next type of virus is sleeper. The sleeper virus is known to steal your personal and financial information. This virus is programmed to target large networks only. This virus has infected millions of machines so far. Now, homework. You have to read all the topics that we have discussed today. Thank you.